My new fluff but look at you, so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally trying on the Zodiac stuff that I bought from ColourPop. I am so excited for this palette. It is just so incredible. I unboxed it the other day, but that is what it looks like. And it's just like so sparkly, not sparkly, but shiny. I love it. I'm super excited. We're gonna pull this off together. Yep, fun. Alright, my ears are actually pretty dirty underneath. That's okay though. So I'm gonna put on my ears real quick. Get my hair out of the way a little bit. So we're gonna go right into this palette, and the lightest color in here is the Cancer. So I'm going to take that specific one and I'm going to apply it all over my lid because it is the lightest one I can base with. Hopefully it is light enough. Doesn't look too crazy. That's a pretty color. A little darker compared to what I would normally use, but it's not bad. It is very pretty though. I really like this color. Alright, so the first color is on. Okay. The next color, there's just so many options. We're gonna go in with the Virgo, which is this brown color. As it slowly shrinks down. I'm gonna take that and put it in my crease. That isn't it. Alright, now the other eye. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Capricorn, which is like the darkest color in here. Just got like a little shimmer to it. I'm just putting it right in the crease. And you don't need a lot of product. It's very pigmented, goes on so well so far, and they are blending out very nicely. Next, I have to put this on my eyes. Pisces. It is so pretty. Can't not put this on my lid. We're gonna go the finger route. Much better with the finger. So pretty. I love this color a lot. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the Gemini, because I have to use the Gemini. I'm gonna do that color on the inner corner kind of, but up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go in with this little brush, I think. I'm gonna take the Leo. I'm gonna put that underneath my eye. And then I'm gonna go back in with the first brush. Just get a little bit of that color and blend this out and up a little bit more. super crazy colorful look. Alrighty, now I'm going to add some eyeliner real quick. So that is with eyeliner on, makes it pop. Just a little bit more. Alright, now we put on some mascara. I'm gonna run out of this soon and I'm so sad about it. I've been trying to preserve it. So now I need to actually go back in with the first brush and connect brown down to the eyeliner. Just add a little extra. Now I'm gonna just put on lip liner real quick. Alright, now we are gonna go in with Scorpion Moon, which is a lipstick. I'm pretty sure that's it. Luxe lipstick, which I have. This is my first lipstick from them. We're gonna put this on. So pink. Alright, I'm gonna shape out my lips. So that is Scorpion Moon. I really like this color. It's super pretty, very pink. More pink than I was expecting actually. But it's it's super pretty. So now I'm going to glue on eyelashes real fast. Eyelash glue is having issues. Somehow the tip broke off. So in like the 12 years I've been using this brand of glue, I've never had a tip break off in a lid. And that is what happened to this. I have no idea when or how it happened, but the last time I opened it before this time, it was broken. I just like glued the lid back on. Alright, now I'm gonna spray my face in a second. Alright, I don't know I can do that. I'm gonna spray with the Tarte Ready Set Radiant Spray. So so refreshing. All that cucumber off with the ears. So that is the final look. I love this palette. It is so beautiful. All these colors are just incredible. And they all blended out really well. I mean, all of ColourPop's makeup is really good, so I wasn't expecting it to suck. And then I like this lipstick, surprisingly. I don't remember the last time I actually have worn legit lipstick, so this is the first time in a long time, so it is interesting. I like the color though, it is really pretty. And yeah, so I really like this collab, the stuff I got from it. I wanted one of the like more like sparkly eyeshadows that are like individual. There's like a golden and the pink one, and I really wanted the pink one, but it sold out, so I didn't get it. But that's okay. I really like the palette and the lip color, and I'm super excited that I got to try it all out for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this look. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to. And comment below if you guys have tried this or want to try this, and what your favorite color is in the palette. There's so many beautiful colors, it's hard to pick one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!